Okay guys, here is a rendering of the space. This is to size and scale. So I've redesigned this another way. Originally, this was the layout, but it's pretty tight. 33-inch wide range, and this is a 33-inch wide fridge, and this is a 24-inch wide dishwasher, drawer stack here. This wall comes out about 55 inches. And at 55 inches from the left corner, it's 104 inches tall, and this point's 55. So standing here, you're going to have some limited headroom. 30-inch wide sink needs to go in here. Typically, sink cabinets are 36. This one's 33, and this is a blind corner cabinet, and these are 16 inches deep on this side. But I'm not very happy with how tight this is in the corner. So option number 2 would be this layout. Fridge is in the same spot. We can put an upper cabinet here. Lazy Susan, still a 33-inch wide cabinet for a 30-inch sink. And the range is on this side. A little bit more headroom, and the hood vent would be mounted here. Maybe we could put a shelf on this side, but with this angled wall, obviously, there's no way to get a cabinet in there. So this is a blind corner cabinet, so this door would open up, and you can reach into here for storage. But I think this is a little bit better layout. I don't know if it's too late to move electrical in this wall for 220 for the range and then the microwave. The laundry room, again to size and scale, and I know these are stacked, but this is about a 26-inch wide linen cabinet, 24 inches deep, that would go to the ceiling. And the vanity is here. Pretty narrow vanity, 22 inches, but we need to keep about 16 inches from the center of the toilet to the side of the cabinet. So you'll be able to find a sink that'll fit in there. So I have quoted this out with this layout. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you.